So Logan here is unboxing this Nature's Head composting toilet that we're going to be using out on the land here, and so this is the big reveal.
Yeah, we won't. I don't think we'll be showing any testing, but we're gonna unbox it here and see what all the hubbub's about.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so the seat's wrapped too. Okay, so this is the top part. I didn't even read if I should be opening this from this side or if I should be getting it out from the other. It's made out of plastic though, so it shouldn't be anything that could be damaged from pulling out of the box like this. There we go. Yeah. Well, there we go. She's out.
Nice.
All right, so there's the urine tank on the front. Got it. Where's the handle at? There's our crank. I bet it's in the toilet. Oh, just for you, Nature's Head. This is just a thank you from the customer, or to the customer. You may now register your warranty. Okay, so the customer has some kind of warranty here.
Okay. Probably like
They say
limited warranty.
I think so. Yeah, it says, on behalf of everyone at Nature's Head, we thank you for your purchase. We are sure your Nature's Head toilet will serve you well for many years. If you have any questions or comments, please get in touch with us. We would love to see a picture once you have completed your installation, which installation is pretty much just setting it where it goes. We would love, let's see, it says, you can see what others have uploaded and upload your own photos, as well as write a review at natureshead.com, or .net, excuse me, /community. You may now register your warranty online at natureshead.net /warranty. So, with many thanks, Larry. All right. So yeah, we'll register our toilet here and get it on the warranty. We got some little clips here to be able to take off the top here, it looks like, or to hinge it back. It's on a hinge there. That's pretty cool. It looks really well made. It's made out of really durable, thick plastic.
Mm-hmm.
This here is, I think, some kind of vent hose.
Vent.
Some sort that goes on the side.
Or on the side here, man.
Yeah. It's got where you can put it on either side. And I don't know if this, we'll probably need to install a hole somewhere. Looks like it's got some little instructions. Yeah. So, instruction-wise, says use sphagnum peat moss. Is there a correct amount? Cocoa core, 3 gallons for proper function toilet. Hydrated bricks. We're going to be using sawdust because I get it for free. Well, it's wood shavings. It comes off of planer. I got a whole truckload for what it costs in gas, so it may start raining on us. It's just the dimensions, installation and location. Very detailed on what the dimensions. Yeah, the vent flange. So we'll be able to vent it if we need to. Considering how we built the outhouse, I don't think it'll need to vent, but it does have, I guess, for a fan assembly where you could hook up a fan. I don't know if it's got, oh yeah, it looks like you can wire in a fan if you need to. So we might put a little solar panel and have a fan to, yeah, okay. Pretty nifty. So it looks like you put a garbage bag in it to change everything out. Maybe. No, you wouldn't do that because it's got this deal here. Get this out. Spray bottle. This is our handle here. This is the thing that makes the poop magically go away. So it's gonna go on the side here. It's just got a little Allen key. You just put it on. Tighten it down.
I just mixes all the waste in with the
this is
stuff that you're gonna use as the carbon.
Yeah, it's you think about it, it's pretty much like a little compost turner. Yeah, you buy garden centers and stuff.
Yeah, just to aerate everything.
Yep, you're just making compost.
Yep.
Heck yeah. All right. And this is the urine tank. We got the urine diverter. Let me open it back up where we can see. So yeah, this is I am slightly concerned about somebody had a little bit too much Mexican here. I mean, that's a small port, you know.
Yeah.
But you got your urine diverter here. That's just to keep everything down here dry. So yeah, hopefully.
Well, I'll have to have.
There's no Mexican restaurants here close. I don't think so.
No.
Yeah, it won't be a whole lot of people.
But
blowing up her toilet, maybe.
But we might have to, put a guide on there on please,
please aim somewhat.
Please aim appropriately.
Yeah, it's a well-made little toilet for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see here. Okay, yeah, that goes right like that and just snaps on. It snaps on here. I'm gonna have to read up a little bit more too on the maintenance of this.
Mm-hmm.
What is it? Okay, yep, there's the flap. Okay, here's the flap that you open up to
keep the poo smell.
Poop, and then when you get done, you just close it back, and it stays in there. Yeah, this will be like going back to old China. I had a guy that went around and gathered all the poop from everyone. The night soil. In Japan too. Japan, they had it was the night soil of the samurai sold for more. So his poop was worth more because he ate better than his family. So yeah, we'll be.
I didn't know that.
We'll be going around making night soil. Well, cool. I mean, that's pretty much it. There ain't much to this thing. It's but so far we haven't used it yet. But it looks like it's very well made. Pretty impressed so far. We'll see how it is after we've had some people have a little bit of distress on it. We'll be able to tell everybody more.
All right, guys. That's it for now.